Hello everyone! Are you constantly dealing with loose hinges or putting together new furniture and wishing you had a better tool for the job? Today we are checking out the best electric screwdriver kit available right now. Welcome to Cool Product, where we showcase amazing gear. Let's get started. Taking on home improvement projects around the house just got a whole lot easier, and the Hodo electric screwdriver kit is here to completely change how you handle everyday tasks. The Hodo brand is known for creating sleek tools, and they really hit the mark with this highly versatile gadget. One of the standout features of the Hodo electric screwdriver kit is its premium 25-piece bit set. These bits are crafted from highly durable S2 steel with a 60 HRC hardness rating, meaning they are built to last through countless tough projects without stripping or breaking. Inside the package, you get 24 standard bits and one special PH2 extended bit to handle almost any screw you encounter. All of these fantastic pieces are beautifully housed in a convenient magnetic case. This case features a smooth lid that slides open, keeping your tools neatly organized and always accessible when you need them most. Have you ever tried to reach a screw hidden deep inside a narrow cabinet? The Hodo kit solves this problem by including a handy extension rod, making it incredibly simple to reach screws in tight or narrow spaces without straining your hands. When it comes to power, this electric screwdriver truly delivers. It offers 3 adjustable torque settings, allowing you to choose the perfect amount of force for different tasks. In electric mode, it provides up to 4 Nm of torque for fast driving, while the manual mode can deliver up to 8 Nm when you need that extra bit of control to finish tightening securely. Safety and precision are a major focus. The screwdriver features a smart sensor that ensures the rotation stops immediately the second you release the power button, allowing you to work safely with just one hand. You will not have to worry about running out of battery power in the middle of a big job either. This tool is powered by a reliable 1500 mAh rechargeable battery that maintains consistent performance from start to finish. When it is time to power up, the modern Type-C charging port allows you to get a full charge in under 150 minutes. To make your work even easier, the tool features a brilliant shadowless circular LED light. This light automatically turns on to illuminate dark or tricky areas, giving you optimal visibility inside deep drawers or complicated computer cases. Overall, this kit is a complete all-in-one solution that beautifully combines amazing practicality with a sleek, modern appearance that you will be absolutely proud to own. Upgrade your home tool collection today with this beautiful and reliable electric screwdriver. If you are ready to tackle your next project with ease, make sure to check the price link in the description. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome finds. Thank you so much for watching.